Then Kerala, Kasaragod, Rajmohan Unnithan. Kannur, K. Sudhakaran. Vadagara, Shafi Parambil. Wayanad, former Congress President Sri Rahul Gandhi. Kozhikode, Sri M.K. Raghavan. Palakkad, Sri V.K. Srikantan. Alathur, Mrs. Ramya Haridas. Miss Ramya Haridas. Thrissur, K. Muralidharan. Chalakudi, Binni Bahanan. Ernakulam, Haibi Eden. Idukki, Dean Kuriakose. Alappuzha, Sri K.C. Venugopal. Mavelikara, Kodikundal Suresh. Pathanamthitta, Anto Anthony. Attingal, Adur Prakash. Thiruvananthapuram, Dr. Shashi Tharoor. Lakshadweep, Muhammad Hamdullah Said. Shillong, Meghalaya, Vincent H. Pala. Meghalaya Tora ST, Saleng A. Sangma. Nagaland, S. Supong Meran Jamir. Sikkim, Gopal Chetri. Telangana Sahirabad, Suresh Kumar Shatkar. Telangana Nalgonda, Raghuveer Kundru. Telangana Mahbub Nagar, Chella Vamshachandra Reddy. Telangana Mahbub ST, Belram Naik Porika. Tripura West, Ashish Kumar Sahe. This is the 39 names. You can give English, Hindi.